Hi and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This is going to be the wrap up to our holiday cocktails. I hope you enjoyed the previous ones. If you've not seen them, make sure you go back and check some of those out. Lots of great recipes, lots of fun. Having Omar with Oak Wash here with me doing one of them. But all that all aside, let's wrap up our final holiday cocktail, and that is the Yule Mule. So basically, this is a spin on the Moscow Mule with some Christmas flavors, at least for me. When I think of Christmas drinks, for some reason, I have orange and cranberry come in my head. And I put those flavors in a lot of my holiday drinks. I really think that screams Christmas. So that's gonna be some of the things we add to our Moscow Mule. So let's get started with the whole thing and you'll see how we do this. So in our small tin, we're gonna start with some vodka. We're gonna do 2 ounces. There we go. And next we're gonna add some orange juice. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of orange juice. And this is gonna have 1.5 carbs in the Simply Light. Next we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of our lime Oleo citrate. And I am out. All right, time to make some more. The next thing we're gonna do is a cranberry syrup. Now you can add some ocean spray diet cranberry juice instead of the syrup. I just find by making my own cranberry syrup, it's just like more punchy in the face of cranberry, which I really like. So we're gonna be doing a 1/2 ounce of this. Now, if you're doing cranberry juice, the diet cranberry juice, go ahead and add a full ounce of that. So we're gonna add some ice to our shaker now. Put all this together, give it a good shake. All right, and in a copper mug, we're gonna add some fresh ice. Something I came across not too long ago is when you're putting a carbonated mixer in, put it in first. So that way your cocktail kind of sits on the top of it rather than you getting, otherwise most people put the ginger beer on top. So as you're drinking it, first thing you get is ginger beer. You're not getting a lot of the cocktail. We're gonna do the ginger beer first. And that's why we don't wanna top, we wanna measure. We're gonna do 4 ounces of ginger beer, diet ginger beer. Gosling's is my favorite. I've tried a whole bunch of them. I even did a blind taste test. So there's 4 ounces. And then we're gonna strain the rest of this cocktail over top. And for a garnish, what I like to do is, always have mint on your Mule. Always when you're using mint, go ahead and clap it just to kind of wake up those aromas. And an orange wheel, because we have some orange in that. And that'll kind of look like a little Christmas tree. And we have a little present cocktail pick. And lastly, a couple of fresh cranberries right on top. This is one of my favorites. I've been making this for years. I did a video on this a while back and it was a shitty video, and I decided to reshoot that one and come up with a little bit better tasty flavors because I tweaked that recipe a little bit. God, that's delicious. It's got just enough orange juice where you get some of it, where it's not, I think more than that would be overpowering. The lime juice is just enough to cut some of the orange, and that cranberry syrup, it's in there. It's kind of going around the dance floor here and there, then you catch it here, then it's over there, then it's everywhere, so it's well balanced drink, and you catch flavors on every sip. Damn. That's absolutely delicious. Like I mentioned, this wraps up my 2022, and I think I said 2023 a bunch of times earlier. That's how many videos I shot today and how many drinks I had. So That's it for my holiday 2022. And guys, if you like what I'm doing, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That just means a lot to me, that I know I'm doing something worthwhile and that you're enjoying my content. It also lets YouTube know you like it too, so it helps me get out to a few more people. So again, like my videos, share my videos, subscribe if you want to. I'm not being one of those guys that says, hey, subscribe. Now, if you like what I do and you want to be notified every time I put a new drink out, go ahead and click subscribe. YouTube will say, hey, look, Frank put a new video out. You might want to go check it out. All right, guys, so that's it for me. Y'all have a great day, because I'm absolutely having a great day myself. See y'all later.